50 billion pesos, an extraordinary sum, even by corporate standards. When Prime Infrastructure Capital acquired a controlling stake in FirstGen's gas business, it was billed as a landmark energy deal. Yet the more telling story lies in how the Lopez Group chose to invest the proceeds and what that decision reveals about its deepest priorities. Imagine holding a rare financial windfall. On one hand, a profitable utility core, FirstGen, a pillar of Philippine infrastructure, producing steady returns and poised for the nation's clean energy transition. On the other, ABS CBN, a storied media giant, navigating the daunting aftermath of a lost franchise and a digital revolution, fighting to cut losses and reclaim relevance in a disrupted industry. Many expected the windfall to support ABS CBN, perhaps to hasten a revival or fund new ventures. Instead, the bulk of the capital was recycled into energy itself, specifically long-term partnerships with Prime Infra in pumped storage hydropower projects. For outside observers, this signals a decisive shift. Within the Lopez Group, energy remains the chosen path for growth and resilience. The logic is straightforward, if demanding. Energy assets deliver reliable cash flows, enjoy regulatory support, and underpin national growth. Media, in contrast, faces volatility. Shrinking ad markets and digital fragmentation make profitability elusive. For FirstGen, the sale unlocked liquidity and lowered exposure to fossil fuel risks, paving the way for investment in critical renewable infrastructure. But such projects require patience. They absorb capital for years before generating returns. Short-term, shareholders may see slower dividend growth or higher leverage. Long-term, the promise is enduring revenue from assets essential to a low-carbon grid. ABS CBN, meanwhile, continues on a slower, self-financed road to recovery. Internal discipline, new partnerships, and smart content monetization have cut losses, but without a major infusion, progress remains incremental. Crucially, the message is clear. ABS CBN must chart its turnaround independently, not as a beneficiary of energy sector gains. At heart, this is capital allocation at its most candid. The Lopez Group has chosen scale, durability, and national significance over nostalgia or sentiment. For investors, it's a lesson in corporate discipline. Priorities are shown not in words, but in the deliberate flow of capital. The trade-off? For FirstGen, it's patience and long-term positioning. For ABS CBN, it's autonomy and resilience, tested in real time. Ultimately, where the Lopez Group puts its billions speaks volumes about the future it sees and the bets it's willing to make.